Good day everyone. I'm here to discuss about reorder point and economic order quality. So let's start reorder point. So what is reorder point? ROP tells us when the order will stock before run outs to avoid shortage. Let's proceed the formula. Formula is reorder point usage times lead times safety stock. So usage, how many stock used, then lead time, how long it arrived, then safety stock is delays. Example, the coffee expected daily usage is 50 kilograms of coffee beans. So the anticipated delivery lead time is 4 to 7 days. When will the coffee place the next order? So ROP 50 coffee beans times 4 to 7 days plus 50 coffee beans times 3. So ROP 50 times 4 days plus 50 times 3. So ROP 400 plus 150. So ROP is 350 kilograms of coffee beans. So therefore, the company should make the order when the level of inventory is at 350 kilograms of coffee beans. So lead time is 4 days to 7 days. Then place the order October 28, 2025. So November 1, 2025, 4 days minimum order lead time. So order will arrive November 1. So safety stock date is November 1 to November 4. So 3 days. So next is let's proceed economic order quality. So under EOQ, we can also compute the number of per year, then total ordering cost per year, then average inventory, then total carrying cost per year, then total cost. So what is economic order quality? So economic order quantity is to determine the most cost-effective quality of inventory to order. So there is the formula. So economic order or EOQ equals square root 2 times cost replacing order, then times number of units annually divide annual carrying cost per unit inventory. And example, so number of cookies pack required annually is 12,000. So cost of replacing an order 15 pesos. Then annual carrying cost per pack of inventory is 1.50 pesos. Determine the following: EOQ, number of orders per year, total ordering cost per year, average inventory, total carrying cost per year, then total cost. So solution formula: EOQ equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So EOQ is square root of 2, then times 15 pesos, then times 12,000 cookie pack divided by 1.50 pack. So EOQ is 480.90 cookies packs. So next is number of order per year. So formula NO equals N divided by AOQ. So NO equals 12,000 cookie pack divided by 489.90 cookie pack. NO is 24.51 orders. So next is total ordering cost per year. So formula TOC equals NO times OC. So TOC equals 24.51 orders times 15 pesos. So TOC is 367.73 pesos. So next is average inventory formula. EI equals EUQ divided by 2. So EI equals 489.90 divided by 2. So EI is 244.96 cookie. So next is total carrying cost per year. So formula TCC equals EI times CCC. So TCC equals 244.96 cookie times 1.50 pesos. So TCC equals 367.44 pesos. Next is total cost. So formula TC equals TOC plus TCC. So TCC equals 367.73 plus 367.44 pesos. So TCC equals 735.17 pesos. So thank you for watching.